Less airplane accidents. An ethical accident prevention. Anyone that is honest, anyone that is shocked by reading in the newspaper of an airplane crash might do the following exercise. Only 5 minutes in a week, but over 3 months. This might give an hour of work. The exercise during 5 minutes has 2 parts. If the first part is too heavy, then don't do it. Then just do 5 minutes long. The second part. The first part is sit somewhere on a chair. Imagine that you yourself are in an airplane that crashes down on Earth. If it's too heavy, don't do it. But so you can digest such feelings, then do it. It improves your empathy. This was rediscovered by Ludwig van Beethoven. Instead of having an accident outside, that just sit on a chair and listen to a symphony of him. Then the second part is imagine people that really had an accident and feel compassionate to them. The feeling of compassion comes, let it be alive. Let it grow. Do not stop it for something else. Just 5 minutes. Now a Catholic may come and say, we stand for prayer. This is of no value. I know the man that said this. I reply, the best prayer, religions independent, for any atheist is to do effort to grow in one's own compassion. This is all I have to say to this and nothing else. Thanks for listening. No, I did lie. I must add something. When pilots of airplanes hear this gives them energy to be more concentrated during the flight, and this reduces the danger of crash. Now it's done.